All right, guys, today I'm changing the battery on my Ram 1500. Let's get to it. All right, guys, I looked everywhere for the battery. I mean, you can't find them for less than $300 or if not more expensive than that. I just went on Amazon and I found this one, A Plus, for less than $200. The right spec for the truck and it's 3-year warranty. Now let me show you the tools I'm going to be using. The reason why I took this rotary out is because I'm going to clean the terminals. I want to make sure that the terminals are completely clean and obviously looks nice too as well. We're going to be using a 10 millimeter and a 12 millimeter to take the terminals out. And then I'm going to put premium grease on the terminals so it doesn't erode. Okay? So now let me show you the battery, which is charging before we put it in the truck. Let's get to the battery now. Ta-da! Here it is, folks. This is the battery we're going to replace it with. Take a look at it. We'll post it. So if you guys are interested, you can look it up and decide whether or not that's the battery you want to use for your truck. All right, folks. This battery is about 5 years old. When I went to the Ram dealership to do the full inspection of the car, the battery was they were giving them an error, and guess what? I tried to start the car a few days ago, and obviously the battery is dying. So I need to replace it. So we're gonna use a 10 millimeter to take the terminals out. I'm gonna take the terminals completely out. I'm gonna brush them, I'm gonna clean them, and then install the new battery in. Just remember that you might get errors in the car, and you might have to clear those errors, and those are due because of the battery, by the way. Low voltage creates errors in the car, and if that's happen, we'll show you as well in what to do to clear them out. Okay, let's get to it. Now I'm gonna take the terminals out, 10 millimeter. I went ahead and took the terminals out, positive, negative, unplugged everything. And the next thing to do is to take this 10 millimeter bolt with a clamp that is holding the battery together. That's the bolt that you need to take out. I'll get my handy dandy magnet. And the clamp right here, and the battery, folks, is out. Now let's clean all this up and put the other one in. All right, folks, I went ahead and cleaned up, tidied up this spot where the battery goes. I cleaned up the terminals. Now let's put in the battery. It's exactly the same dimension as the other battery. Now, I need to tighten this up. So next thing to do is put the clip right here on the side and tighten it up. Oh, this is solid. All right, folks, this was a quick video. Obviously, something very, very simple to do. If you live in an area that is cold and you're having battery issues, try to replace it if you can as soon as possible so you don't have problems. You know, when you get to the car, try to start it and the battery is dead. This is what was happening with my battery since it was 5 years old. Quick tips, always clean the terminals. Make sure the terminals are all nice and clean. You can also grease them with a special lube. And most important, make sure you buy the right battery for your truck or your vehicle. If you don't, you're going to have a lot of electrical issues. All right. Hopefully you like it. Join. And till next video. Thank you for joining.